Hello students, welcome to I Love Science. In this video, we will do some simple experiments to show how the acid-base reaction releases the carbon dioxide. How does the reaction neutralize the effect of acid and base, and the new substance that is formed is neither a strong base nor a strong acid. Okay? And we will also see that the carbon dioxide is actually a fire extinguisher. So let's do these experiments. So for this experiment, we have citric acid and baking soda. And then we will do the experiment in a little container here. Okay. So I will put the citric acid first in the container and add some water. Now if we test this solution on pH paper, you will see that it will turn the pH paper red, which means it's an acid. So let me dip it in the citric acid solution, and you can see the paper turned red, which means it's an acid, right? Now in the separate this thing, maybe I will use the lid of the container. First I will do the testing of the base. So if I take some baking soda here, so in the baking soda I am adding a few drops of water so that we can do the testing. Okay, and now if we use the pH paper in this and then touch on this side, then you will see that that paper turns green, which means it's a base. All right. Now if we do the reaction of acid and base, then let's see what happens. So for this purpose, I will add a little more citric acid in this so that we have a lot of reaction, and mix it with a stirrer. Okay, so we have mixed the citric acid in this. Okay, and now add some baking soda in this. So you will see that the reaction take place, lot of bubbles will form, okay, and lot of gas is coming out. Now this is the reaction of acid and base is happening in this, and in this process the carbon dioxide is coming out. Now you should know that carbon dioxide is actually heavier than air, so it will replace the air in the container, and at the bottom of the container now the carbon dioxide is settled. So if I try to test the carbon dioxide, I can use a candle. Okay, so let me light up a candle, and if this container now has carbon dioxide, let's see what happens. If I bring the candle here, as soon as I bring it near the mouth, there is no oxygen here because this is filled with carbon dioxide. The candle flame goes out. Let's try this again. Okay, so I bring the candle here, put it near this. Okay, and you will see that as soon as I bring it here, the candle cannot burn because the carbon dioxide does not allow the fire to burn. So this proves that carbon dioxide can be used as the fire extinguisher. Now we can do one more experiment. Now in the container we have the mixture of acid and base. So let's see if we put the pH paper in this, then whether it will turn red or green. Alright, because we saw earlier that the acid turns it red and then base turns it green. Now let's see what happens if we put it in the reaction, put it in the solution after the reaction. Okay, so you see the color is a very dim red or almost no change. It's just like a wet paper. It's neither red and nor green, which means that now this solution is neutral. It's neither a strong base nor a strong acid. So these are the simple experiments which will help you learn about acids and bases and their properties, and also about the carbon dioxide. So have fun with these experiments. Thank you. Bye-bye.